Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center Exim, showing you today this recently arrived and approved use Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Plus, here in a short wheelbase trim and finished in striking clear white paint. Key equipment highlights will include these gorgeous automatic LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as steel wheels around the side to protect your wheels. Whilst in the rear, full signature shaped horizontal LED taillights will give your Transporter a distinctive look. Inside there's full height wood paneling with LED ambient lighting, as well as a reinforced bulkhead, and in the front there is a stylish cabin with features an upgraded driver's seat for maximum comfort. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which allows you to operate the digital cockpit, and the center touchscreen features permanent climate control functions, as well as a fully adjustable sound system for the music fans amongst you. Selectable drive modes are also on offer, prioritizing comfort or a more slippery drive, and there's a host of active safety systems on offer to protect you and your occupants at all times. Both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto are available, and helping you park is a rear view camera complemented by front and rear sensors at all times. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Plus that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team.